Hey, it's Ben from Snap Shades. You're watching installation video D1, which is a divided rear door shade with 4 magnetic mounts. In your order, you'll receive a pair of divided shades, 8 magnetic mounts, Snap Shades alcohol wipes, and a storage bag. Step 1 is to locate the magnets inside the shade. We've got 2 on the top edge and 2 on the bottom. You can just use the magnetic mounts along the frame and feel until they catch. Step 2 is to take note of where the magnets will have to stick to the car's trim. Having the magnets on the shade makes this really easy. Use the included Snap Shades alcohol wipes to clean the area and wipe off any residue with a microfiber towel. You might have to do this a couple of times to get it really clean. Step 4 is to adhere the magnetic mounts onto the car's trim. You can do this 1 or 2 at a time with the magnets on the shade, with the shade aligned properly, and this will help you get it in place the first time. For these divided window shades, our next step is to install the quarter window shade in the back of the window, and these just snap into place. Our shades ship flat, so depending on your vehicle, you may need to contour the shade for a perfect fit, which we do have a separate video on. A quick slam test, and your installation is complete.